Ghost Tours. I'm Rachel, I'll be your tour guide tonight, so if you have any questions, please let me know. If I don't know the answers, I will probably point you back here to talk to one of the staff. They know way more than I do. Just some quick reminders tonight. We're going to be crossing streets, so just be mindful of traffic. There's going to be some traffic noise, so get in close, especially around Main Street, so you can hear me talk. I'll try my best with this microphone, and then just stay together as a group. Stay on the sidewalks as much as possible. There's a pothole that we found. I just don't want you guys to find that and step into that, and then be careful on the sidewalks. I know the pavers are lifted up here and there. I don't want anyone to trip. All right. It seems almost everyone has a fascination with the unexplained. The city of Anoka is especially included in this since it's the Halloween capital of the world. How many here believe in ghosts? All right. Does anyone say they're crazy and don't believe at all? All right. As the Anoka County Historical Society, we neither confirm nor deny the existence of ghosts. We're simply taking you on a tour of town, telling you some history and sharing the stories the homeowners and business owners have brought to the History Center. Where those hard-to-explain stories concern, we quote the snooping reporter from the Gristagram newspaper of past years. I know not what the truth may be. I tell these tales as told to me. Our first stop is the History Center. This building is rather new, holds the archives of the Anoka County Historical Society. Many people come here to research their homes and businesses and of its prior occupants, especially when something in their home or business doesn't make sense. That is why one of the reasons we can do this tour. People come here, tell us their stories. Nothing that unusual or unexplained happened in the building prior to the Historical Society moving in. Once we moved in, however, some odd things started happening. Perhaps we transported the spirits into the building along with all the old artifacts that the History Center houses and preserves. One of our staff members has caught a glimpse of what looks like a figure in the long, dark rows between the collection storage shelves. The center has a door counter that rings a bell every time someone walks through the front door. One day before the center was open, a staff member marked the previous door day counts and turned to walk away when suddenly the door counter chimed. She turned back. No one had entered the building, but the door counter had gone up by one who came in earlier that day. The same staff member was taking pictures of a pair of crutches that we have in our collections for years. When she viewed the picture on the computer, she saw an orb in motion, often indicating a spirit in motion. And I'll show you guys a picture of that. What could be the cause of these strange happenings? Well, perhaps a patron who claimed to be a sidekick has the explanation. She has told staff that there were 3 spirits who have attached themselves to something into the building, that was brought into the building, and that was the source of the odd happenings. Anyone here from the city of Anoka? All right, where's everybody else from?
Grand Rapids.
Okay. All right. All right, we're still close.
North Minneapolis.
All right, that's the furthest end. Anoka is known as the Halloween capital of the world. In the late 19th, the Halloween celebrations were getting a little out of hand. People were tipping over outhouses, setting cows loose in town, breaking windows. One group even took apart a wagon and reassembled it on a roof. Pranks were so common and mean-spirited that people of the town started to arm themselves during October. This was an alarming trend, so the city officials decided to do something about it before someone got hurt. They organized a citywide Halloween festival with contests, costumes, and a parade. If people had fun at the festival, it seemed less likely they would participate in non-city sponsored shenanigans. The first festival was held in 1920, and it was such a success that it has continued every year since then, with the exception of 1942 and 1944, because when it was canceled till the end of the war. They felt that big celebration during the time would be unpatriotic. Anoka's Halloween Festivals is the longest running Halloween festival in the nation, probably the world. In fact, according to Garrison Keillor, who grew up here in Anoka, Anoka can be claimed the Halloween capital of the universe since Earth is the only planet known to celebrate Halloween. So we are going to start heading down to Van Buren Street, so follow me.